Well, welcome back, everybody. What an exciting couple of days here. The reason being is because, of course, we had the big move down there yesterday. Now, today we had a very tight day. Most of the day, if you're looking at like 5-minute charts on stock index futures and that, they're pulling back and forth the key channels of my work and basically sideways and technically damaged. And what's happening here is this whole market is coiling up now in what I call the kill zone, right? We've got the falling resistance, the rising support. We're coiling up in here and getting ready for another big move. And this is going to be very exciting. And so the question is, are you ready for that move? Does everything make sense? Do you understand the sideways and technically damage? Do you understand the use of things like the stochastics, the IRBs, the reverse IRBs, momentum shifts and breakouts, and the countless different strategies that I have there? Do you have a solid understanding of some of my most important tools? And if the answer is no, you don't have a mastery of all those things, come to tomorrow night's class. I haven't done it for about 6 months now, and so this is not the TRP class we did a couple weeks ago for all traders. This is for more active, not just day traders, but also swing traders. In fact, we're going to be spending a lot of time on swing trading tomorrow night in different things. We're going to be covering everything from, of course, normal equities and normal futures to, Forex ETFs and different things that we want to go ahead and look at. So tomorrow night's class, plan to be there for a long time because it's a more advanced class. So anybody who's serious about active trading and investing, loves what's going on with the markets, wants to know more about what's going on with the markets, has a strong passion for the markets, this is for you. If, trading is just kind of a part-time thing, you don't even know if you're interested in it, just kind of checking out the markets here and there casually a couple times a year, this isn't the kind of class for you. It'll be too overwhelming. But for all of you that are much more serious and active and engaged in your trading and investing affairs, this is going to be a special class for you. So we're going to talk to you, try to prepare you for the big moves ahead, and we'll be talking about trading that I'm doing and try to put it all together to you in as succinct as possible package considering how advanced it is. Okay, so that's going to be tomorrow night, Wednesday night, 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 o'clock Pacific Central Time. I did that last night too. 7 o'clock Eastern, 6 o'clock Central, and 4 o'clock Pacific. You will not want to miss that. Go to becomeabettertrader.com/go. So that's becomeabettertrader.com/go. And again, this is for, more advanced work of mine. And so I'm looking forward to going ahead and seeing you at this very special class. Like I said, last time I did it was closer towards the beginning of the year before my surgery and everything. So you definitely want to go ahead and be there for this very special event. You guys have a great night. We'll see you at tomorrow night's class and good trading tomorrow. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.